All right. Mads, what do you have to say to your grandparents?
Hi, Grandpa. Grandma, I can't wait to open your present. I'm very excited. Wow, I love it. It's a pink bag. I really love it.
Wow, that could be a new swim bag.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow, that's very nice.
Oh, thank you. I can't wait to find all the things from Minnie Mouse. Thank you. Oops. Here's the card. Finally. Granddaughter. Oh, thank you. Thanks for the dollars. Lots of sugar, lots of spice. Make a granddaughter extra nice. And honey, just 'cause you're so sweet, we're hoping that your day's a treat. Happy birthday, dear Matt. Hope the cutest, sweetest girl in Mill Valley has a wonderful birthday. Love, Grandma, Grandpa. Miss you, love you. Hot hugs. XOXO. Thank you, Grandma. I love the card. Now,
How much money did they give you?
$20.
Good counting. What do you say next?
Thank you. Now I can't wait to open the rest.
Oh.
Wow, I saw this at school. I can't wait to play. I know how to play. I'll play it today. And the last thing.
Face.
Place 10. That seems fun. I can't wait to play this too.
All right. What do you say?
Thank you.